Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to unhide the bookmark bar in Google Chrome quickly and easily. So let's get started. So firstly, open Google Chrome. Here we will search anything like I'm searching Windows. Now you will see there is nothing to show, not a single hide bar also. I'm saving this into bookmark bar. Now where it is saved. Simply we are clicking on Window key Control Shift plus B. Here you will see bookmark bar will be shown. If you want to hide it, you can simply again click on Control Shift B to hide it. The another method is click on three dots. Here you will see bookmarks and list. Click on the show bookmarks bar, and that's it. That's how you unhide the bookmark bar in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.